This video is for Friedrich Air Conditioners NYC. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So as you see, I'm on your home page, and you want to have on your home page more than 1500 words because Google loves content. Also make sure that you have correct keywords and the picture saved in the correct way. So if we check here, yeah, the save image, see as the numbers over here. So if here will be like some keywords, it would help you as well. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if you come here, we can see Google guaranteed ads, then we can see ads that we used to see already, but now in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's some people can see, some not. And then if you come here, we have here the map pack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there. It would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you're going to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop or whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation, and the last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we come here, we're gonna see Yelp and expertise, home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. So way the backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you know, for example, you have an ice cream shop and that send you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole websites, it's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of those companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 11 referring domains that gives you 53 backlinks, and you're getting found for 211 keywords, and out of those keywords you're getting 56 people on average on your site each month. And just you have a picture, I want to show you one of your competitors here. See, they have 713 referring domains. That brings them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found for 26,000 keywords. And out of keywords, they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it what I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC Marketers can help you grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback and on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and have a great day.